Okay, class, this is going to be a video to help you figure out Voicethread. It's really actually pretty easy. Obviously, with anything new, it just takes a little bit getting used to. So, the regular Voicethread site will look something like this. You'll sign in and register, and once I think it'll send you an email, and you'll have to make sure that you click on that to confirm, and then everything will be set up with Voicethread. It takes like 2 minutes to set up a Voicethread account. So once it's set up, and you are actually in VoiceThread and you sign in, the main page will look something like this, and the main thing you have to worry about is the Create and My Voice page. So let's say you're first just getting in here and you want to create your VoiceThread, then you click on Create, and that'll take you to this very dark gray page, and it'll look like basically nothing. And so on this page, you're going to upload either images or a PowerPoint or whatever else you have on the desktop of your computer, and you're going to upload it here. So you would just click Upload, My Computer, and you would pick whatever image you might have on your desktop or the PowerPoint that you might use. And so you would put that, it would appear up here. So again, you could get it from other sources, these other things, but mainly you're going to be uploading from your computer. So after that, once you have stuff on there, for example, let's take a look at one of mine that I have, and when you upload it, it's going to look something like this. I'll show you. So mine was gray as well, but then I uploaded a few images in my PowerPoint, and my PowerPoint, when you upload it, once it's uploaded to VoiceThread, it actually separates them into separate images on your Voicethread, which is actually kind of nice. So you can just upload the whole PowerPoint and then it splits it up for you. So if you want to mess around with it later, you can. So, for example, you upload and you get an image from your computer, you upload it, and then it'll appear somewhere in here. For instance, let's say you want to move things around. You can just grab an image and move it, and then there's that image here. Oh, I want it back. So you just put it back. So you can just kind of grab it with your mouse and then highlight it, and you can move it basically anywhere you want. So you can move those things wherever you want to. So this part's pretty easy. It's just you upload it, and then you have to determine what order you want it in. The other thing you want to pay attention to is publishing options. When you're close to putting this onto D2L, you want to click publishing options, and you want to make sure that there's a green arrow under allow anyone to view, yes, allow anyone to comment, yes. You don't want to moderate, and showing on a browse page, you probably don't need to do that, and then make sure that you click and save it. So make sure you do the publishing options before you upload this to D2L. Alright, so let's say it's done and you want to upload it now to D2L, your small group discussion room. Well, then what you do is you go down to here, this button called Embed, and when you do that, this box will appear. So you're going to do two things with this. You're going to copy the embed code, and you're going to put that into a discussion post, and you're going to come back and copy the link to this as well. So you're going to do the embed code and the copy link. So for example, you're just going to click the red copy, and that will copy your embed code. And then you'll go to D2L, to your small group room, and once you have that set up here, you just hit compose, and you put your cursor into your message, and then there will be this link here called insert stuff. You click on that, and then you click enter embed code, and then this thing should pop up, and then you put your cursor in there, and then you control V or paste, or however you want to do it. So paste or control V, and then this is what it should look like. Then you hit next, and then once you've hit next, it should pop up. You should see a little bit of a box up here in your message. So that means that the voice thread is actually there. So then go back to your voice thread. Make sure you copy this link as well. Copy this, so that's copied, and then go back to your message that you're going to put in your small group room, and then again make sure that that link pops up. So that link is right here. So you do that, and then you post it to your room, and it should be up there however you name it, and it should look like something like, it'll take a second. I have two of them up there for whatever reason, but so I have two of them there, and then the link is down below. So you want to make sure you have the visual representation of your VoiceThread poem video, and then you also want a link. We do this because VoiceThread doesn't allow this to be any bigger, so it's kind of hard to read. If you actually have to sit there and try to read this, it's a little bit small. So you provide the link so that way someone can just click that link and it'll appear into a much bigger window here. So if you take a look at my Papa Waltz here, so look at this, it's a lot bigger, it's much easier to read. And then once you start the presentation, then it's a lot easier to read. So if for whatever reason you want to zoom in, you can take the little cursor here, the thing that's moving, and you just click it and it'll zoom in, or click it, it'll zoom back out, click it to zoom in, click it to zoom out. So again, that's the reason why we do the link and the video there, because the video may be too small to look at in the D2L poll, so we put both. So make sure you put this and make sure you put the link. So make sure you put both of those. So again, you're going to do the embed code and the copy link code. Again, you can help each other out in your small groups if you have questions, or if you have questions for me, I can certainly help you out too. But again, embed code and copy that. So and that's most of what you're going to do there. It really won't take that long, I don't think. Just maybe finding the images and typing the stuff up into the PowerPoint, which I will have talked about in another video. Once you're done with this, say you want to come back and work on it. When you come back, you just click on My Voice. And again, when you click on My Voice, you'll see all the voice threads that you have created. Obviously, you'll probably just have one. You'll hit click menu, and then you want to click edit, and from there it'll take you back to your voice threads. So again, publishing options is important. Allow anyone to comment and view. Those must be green checked for us to be able to comment in those. So hopefully that helps you out with VoiceThread. It should be very easy, so don't be scared. It's a lot of fun to work with. We'll do some more stuff with this a little bit later. So hopefully that helps you out. And if it doesn't, then just ask me a question.